Rexel is Slovenia's leading specialized distributor for electrical supplies and cutting-edge solutions in lighting, renewable energy, e-mobility, energy management, and electrical installations. We are honored to be a part of the Rexel Group, the world's leading distributor of electrification products and services. We have more than 70 years of experience and over 20,000 satisfied customers. We provide a wide range of electrical materials in 7 branches across Slovenia, as well as additional collection points through local strategic partners. We are also expanding our presence in the Croatian market with all our products and services. Rexel is a leading digital solutions provider with an advanced digital B2B platform for the sale of electrical materials via the online store. Our mission is to guide society toward a greener future, particularly in lighting, photovoltaics, and e-mobility. We respect and consistently apply ESG principles to ensure a sustainable future for the environment and society. Professional and ambitious employees play a crucial role in this, constantly expanding their knowledge and bringing best practices and solutions to the Slovenian environment. This allows you to be the best in your business. Join our large family and work with us to become the best. Thank you for choosing Rexel.